Dear students, today we read My Own True Family, written by great poet Ted Hughes. Today we start stanza 1. Once I crept in an oak wood, I was looking for a stag. I met an old woman there, all nobilistic and rag. She said, I have your secret here inside my little bag. So you know that this is a very beautiful and very meaningful poem. Once I crept in an oak wood. Here I is the poet himself. Once he crept in an oak wood. You know oak wood means the forest of oaks, and crept means crawl or walk in a very idle manner. And he was looking for a stag. The poet was searching, looking means searching for a stag. Stag means male deer. Here it also signifies, stag signifies the aim of everyone's life or their whereabouts or their life place or birthplace. Maybe. I met an old woman there. There in the oak wood, the poet met with an old woman. Here, old woman signifies the mother nature. So, here, as we used our nature so much, so she became very old. And how was the mother nature or the old woman? All nobilistic and rag. And she has a knob, a stick with various knobs. That means unsteady. And rag. Rag means worn out pieces of clothes. So Mother Nature or the old woman is with a noble stick and rag. She said, I have your secret. So Mother Nature or the old woman told that she had your secret. That means the poet's secret. What is the secret? The secret of the purpose of life within the Mother Nature. So in the nature, everyone, all of us, the purpose of life is within in the nature. So this is the first stanza. Now we start the second stanza. Then she began to cackle and I began to quack. She opened up her little bag and I came twice awake, surrounded by a staring tribe and me tied to a stake. So this stanza also has a deeper meaning. Then she began to cackle. She means here we already know that the mother nature began to cackle. Cackle means laugh in a very mysterious manner that raises fear in our mind. And as a result, the poet began to quack. Quack means shiver in fear. Then she opened up. So you know that in this line, through this line, the poet or the poet signifies that our nature, we use our nature so roughly that now she took revenge, as we see that now earthquake, flood occurs very frequently. So we use our nature so roughly, so indiscriminately cut our trees that nature becomes worn out, and now she took revenge on us. She opened up a little bag and I came twice awake. I came twice awake. Twice means the inner self of the mind or outer self of the mind. Here, two steps or two layer of the mind is indicated. Here, the poet awake at first innerly, and then he relates himself, his outer self, with the nature, and he awakes twice, and he saw surrounded by a staring tribe. Tribe here is a oak wood. Here oak is personified with a tribe, and he saw that he was tied to a stake. Stake means long pole. So all the oak trees here became as tribe, and the poet himself found tied to a stake. Here, stake also signifies the crucified stake of Jesus Christ. And he wants to tell us that if we use our nature so roughly, so badly, then at a time, the time will come when we, the humanity, will be crucified. So, this is the second stanza.